Hello, welcome to the MBH Show. I'm Matthew, and this is my show. Yes, it is. And today we're doing another Costco run to see what's on sale at Costco, but specifically wine. So there's other people that do everything, but not many people that do the wine that's on sale. So these are only the two that are local to me. Today we are doing El Camino Real in Tustin, California. And catch the next episode, which will be Park Avenue. I attempt to do these every week, but I have a lot going on, so I do it when I can. And I do thank you for joining me. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. It really makes a difference. I'm trying to build a channel, and it's not just about wine. Check out some of the other episodes. You may or may not like them. I don't know. I like everything. That's my problem. So let's get started, see what's on sale. El Camino Real in Tustin, California. Okay, so first we have, yes, Rabble wines. It's a 2020 red blend. And I've said it before, I'll say it again. I love the artwork on these bottles. Love it. I love good labels. I mean, and good label is whatever. But anyway, it's $12.89 minus $3 makes it $9.89, and the sale expires January 7th, 2024. And look at some of this artwork. It's amazing. Next, we have AtoZWineworks. This is a Pinot Noir. It's a 2018 from Oregon. This is a new one. I did pick this one up. I have not tried it. It is regularly $15.99. It's $6 off, making it $9.99. Sale expires February 4th, 2024. Anxious to try that one. This one we've seen many, many times. It's Headline. It's a 2021 Zinfandel. And the label is built into the bottle itself. It's interesting green color. Have tried it, do like it. It's regularly $21.99. It is $10 off, making it $11.99, which is a fantastic deal. And the sale expires January 14th, 2024. It's a pretty good deal. Next one is tried and true, daily drinker, WoodWork. You know, once you've had better wine though, it's hard to go back to it. So this is a 2022 Cabernet Sauvignon, and it's California wine. It is regularly $9.49. It's $4 off, making it $5.49. And the sale expires 12/31/2023. WoodWork. This one is fantastic. It's a Provenance. It's a 2018 Cabernet Sauvignon. And this is a Napa Valley wine. It's rated very high according to the box, 95 points. It is regularly $36.99, $10 off, making it $26.99, and the sale expires January 21st, 2024. I picked up a couple bottles of those because I let one set for a year or two, and it just gets better with age. Not sure how much you can save it, but this is also another one, educated guess. It is a 2021 Cabernet Sauvignon, and this is also a Napa Valley wine. It's from Oakville. It is regularly $49.99. It's $25 off, making it $24.99, and the sale expires December 24th, 2023. Educated guess. Interesting fact here, those blue bottle tops, some are actually orange. I don't know why. But this batch only has the blue. Cherry Pie, I have not purchased this one, and I was going to go purchase it. It is a 2021 Pinot Noir Cherry Pie. This is a San Pablo Bay wine. It's regularly $39.99. It's $10 off, making it $29.99. And the sale expires January 28th, 2024. Cherry Pie, Pinot Noir. This is a 2016 Fleury. It's a Cabernet Sauvignon. And I have not tried it. I did purchase it. I have a lot of wines I need to drink, so I have not tried this one yet, but I plan to shortly. It's a Rutherford, and I explained what Rutherford was in another one. This is $99.99 minus $30, making it $69.99. The sale expires December 31st, 2023. Martin Ray Synthesis. This is a 2020 Cabernet Sauvignon, and I particularly like the label. They do a good job at labeling and describing it. This is regularly $43.99. It's $15 off, making it $28.99. And the sale expires December 31st, 2023. This is Harvey and Harriet by My Favorite Neighbor. It's a 2021 red blend. Have not had this. It's from San Luis Obispo County. Haven't had it. It's $25.99 with $6 off, making it $19.99, and the sale expires December 31st, 2023. Harvey and Harriet red blend. This is a tried and true. This one is worth getting when it goes on sale. It is Precision Cabernet. This is a 2022 Cabernet Sauvignon. It gets a 91-point score from Wine Enthusiast. And I get that one often. It's normally $22.99. It's $10 off, making it $12.99. It's a pretty good deal at that price. Sale expires December 31st, 2023. So I would get that one. I rather like it. This is Oblivion. It's a 2021 Cabernet Sauvignon, and this gets 90 points from Wine Enthusiasts. It's a Paso Robles, California wine. It's regularly $15.99. It's $6 off, making it $9.99, and it expires 12/31/2023. 90 points. Thank you for joining me. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. See you later.